At Raymond, we design and build the best lift trucks in the business. The new 4460 three-wheel sit-down counterbalanced is powerful, versatile, and highly maneuverable. Maneuverability is the hallmark of any Raymond lift truck, and the 4460 is no exception. It's engineered for exceptional performance and productivity in confined spaces. The unique three-staged open-view mast design with no center cylinder offers a clear line of sight for superior operator confidence and efficiency. Reposition pallets with integral side shift, allowing sideways movement of the forks to handle loads that may not be aligned with the truck, or quickly and efficiently handle any type of load by adding a range of attachments. Experience faster, smoother operation and longer battery life with Raymond's exclusive ACR system. Enhanced operator comfort and productivity with a spacious compartment featuring a fully adjustable full suspension seat and tilt steering column with memory adjustment. A do-it-all lift truck with superior visibility, maneuverability, and versatility. The new 4460 three-wheel sit-down counterbalanced. Ideal for dock operations, long-distance transport, racking, and put-away applications. Innovation, quality, service. Raymond. Run better, manage smarter.